you guys? I'm Moe the Chart Guy, founder of Unbroken Mindset, and I just want to give you some examples how to effectively dollar cost averaging with cryptocurrency. So a lot of people don't understand that, hey, you don't have to have a whole $60,000 just to buy Bitcoin. You can dollar cost average in. And one of the best ways that I like to do it, and this is not financial advice, this is just a way that works for me. So I'm not saying that any other way is wrong, but this is just the way that I like to do it. A lot of people would take it at $60,000 where it's sitting at right now, and they want to throw the whole boat at it. But you want to effectively do it so where your money can kind of work for itself, right? So let's just go for an example. Here back in August 14th, 2021, we had Bitcoin sitting at 64,000. We had a correction move, and then it fell all the way down to $49,129. So at this point, since I already have a lot of Bitcoin and I purchase weekly, I threw some more in it, and I threw a lot in at this point because it was a low point, right? So guess what happens? Bitcoin runs up, then I get, guess what? I got 21.60% on that money that I put in at that point, right? So now guess what happens? Bitcoin takes another dip and it falls all the way down to 29,000. So at this point, I'm licking my chops because I'm like, oh man, this is a great buying opportunity for Bitcoin. So guess what I did? I threw some money at it, threw a lot of money at it, right? Then guess what happens? It runs all the way back up to $53,000. So I gained 79% on my money within a matter of a month, a month and a half, not even 2 full months. And then guess what Bitcoin does? It takes another dip, another nice dip too. So then guess what I do? To when it falls to 41,000, I throw some more money in. And this is how you effectively dollar cost average for it to work for you. Because when I threw some more money in, guess what? That money made me 52% when when Bitcoin just ran up to $62,000 here just recently. And then guess what happens? The money that you dropped in at 29,000, guess what? Now it's made 112%. And then guess what happens with the money that you dropped in at 49,000? Now it's back up to 28%. So that's just a strategy that I use to effectively dollar cost average in. I'm not saying that this is the perfect way, but I think this is a helpful way for you to do it in order to allow your money to work for itself. And the reason that you want to dollar cost average in with Bitcoin is because it's an appreciating asset. So you can actually take Bitcoin to the bank and take a loan out on it if you want to. Or if you want to stay truly decentralized finance, it's platforms within DeFi that you can use to borrow against your Bitcoin and get a better rate. So this is just a strategy that I use. This is a video that I wanted to drop on you guys just to give you some ideas of how to effectively buy Bitcoin or any other crypto for that matter, right? So I'm Moe the Chart Guy. Make sure you follow us on YouTube at Unbroken Mindset. We will drop videos and content like this weekly. Thanks for your time.